Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and as you can see, we are in my drawing room. And if you notice, I've recently installed a smart air conditioner from Panasonic, and this is sort of internet connected air conditioner using Panasonic's new MirAIe platform. So let's have a closer look at the same. So guys, this is the air conditioner, and it's a 1.5 ton inverter AC, which is actually a 5-star air conditioner. And guys, if you don't know, Panasonic ACs are rated as #1 brand in Japan, and this is actually a very old company. Panasonic is almost over 100-year-old company, and they manufacture not just air conditioners but televisions, smart refrigerators, and other appliances. And regarding the connectivity and smart features, that is IoT, Internet of Things, this is actually an internet connected air conditioner, and this is actually based on Panasonic's MirAIe platform, and you can actually control it via smartphones. And in fact, I completely forgot, if you have smart speakers like Alexa, etc., you can also control it via voice. In fact, I have been actually controlling it via voice. So I'll show you all that, the app as well as how it works. So let's have a closer look at the same. Before we proceed, I was curious what this MirAIe means. So I googled it, and MirAIe means smart future and Ai means home in Japanese. It means they are trying to make this a smart home platform. So we'll also have a look at this app itself and see how it works. So let's now look at the app, and this is the MirAIe app, and it works both on Android as well as iOS. This is an Android phone that I'm using, and as you can see right away, it found our air conditioners is already set up, and I can quickly just change the temperature directly from here, and the mode. It also shows you the warranty, and here you can add other devices also. As I've told you, this is MirAIe as a platform, so if you have other Panasonic devices, you can add. And if you click here, this goes to the total interface, and as you can see from here, you can control every aspect of the air conditioner, the quiet fan mode, the Nanoe-g, the AC display, the swing, etc. Everything you can control from this. And if you notice here, if I click, not this one, I'll show you that later. If you click here, we also have schedule, so you can easily schedule it using this. So for example, if you want the AC to be switched on at a particular time, you can do that. And another interesting thing is that if you click here, this, you notice you're seeing a lot of bars, and this is for sleep. For example, when you're sleeping, you want it low, but after some time, the AC might become very cold. So you can change it, and you can create a profile. Here, new profile, I can create a new profile. Let's say when you're sleeping, you want it to be lower. Start at about 22 degrees Celsius. But let's say after 2 hours, you want it to increase by 24. You can do that. Let's after 3 hours, you want. So you can customize this and create your own profile. And this can be very helpful. So this is a nice feature that we have. And the app is fully functional. You can control all aspects of the air conditioner via the same. So guys, we also get a traditional remote like this, and obviously you can change the temperature and adjust it like this, and this works. But again, this is a smart AC. But before that, we also have this option called Jet Stream, and if you press that, the AC blower goes in a high mode, and this is perfect for summers. And we also have a Nanoe-g option on this air conditioner, which actually purifies the air, so you can use that. But let me actually show you the app, because this is a smart AC. So guys, this is the MirAIe app, and I just want to tell you guys how responsive it is. As you can see, I'm changing the temperature, set it to 19, almost instantly it changes. So this is what I really liked about this app. It's very, very responsive, and even from outdoors, if you're doing it, it changes almost instantly. And guys, you can also control this air conditioner with smart speakers like Alexa. For example, I have Alexa, and let's try to actually change the temperature. So I'll ask, Alexa, change AC temperature to 24.
The AC is set to 24.
As you can see, it changed, and also gives you a visual indication. Again, you don't need a Alexa with a display. I just had that, but even a normal Alexa, you can do it. And again, I'll just going to change it to, let's say, 21. Just notice how quickly it does. Alexa, change AC temperature to 21.
The AC is set to 21.
As you can see, and it works seamlessly, and I have been controlling it mostly via Alexa. Another small thing that I noticed is that it has this display over here, but let's say you don't want that display, you can just hit a button on the remote, and as you can see, the display goes off. So guys, to sum it up, I would say this Panasonic smart air conditioner, if I have to sum it up, I'll sum it up in 3 words. Obviously, it's comfortable because it cools really fast. It's very convenient, and it's connected because of that MirAIe platform. So certainly I'm happy with this product. And now in 2020, if you're looking for a new air conditioner, it does make sense to go with the smart appliances like this. For example, let's say it's summer and you are moving from your office to your home, and you know that you'll reach in about 20 minutes. You can remotely just switch on the AC, and by the time you come to your home, it's already cold. So it does make a lot of sense. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. What I'll do is I'll leave the links for this air conditioner in the description area so that you can check it out. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.